Have a good day and positive light to all my subscribers, rep peeps, ka-vapers at lalo na sa mga bago nating katambayan dito lang sa ating simpleng tambayan at YouTube channel, iVape. Black Sabbath X12 Pro Bluetooth or True Wireless Earbuds, right earbuds, no sounds or not working problem. If you have some issue like our video tutorial, must watch this video tutorial for you is solution for your Black Sabbath True Wireless Earbud or Bluetooth. Just easy step and follow, support, subscribe, like and share. Don't forget popping our notification bell for more helping tips and healthy guys and simple basic technique only here our Simpleng Tambayan and YouTube channel, iVape. And before we start our video tutorial, reminder to all not directly subscribers on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, and reminder, don't skip all ads sa lahat ng mga video tutorial natin para marami pa tayong ma-share like ng mga helping tips, healthy guys at simple basic technique. Dito lang yan sa ating YouTube channel, iVape. Now, our first step ng ating video tutorial, Sabbath True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds, right earbuds or one pair, no sounds or not working problem. And always don't forget our important reminders before you start or follow our video tutorial. Make it sure 100% check your Sabbath True Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. This is easy, simple ways how to and fix this issue and problem of your Sabbath or Bluetooth earbuds. Highlight screen natin, mapapansin nyo kung ano yung naging problema at ano yung naging solution natin dito kung bakit ayaw tumunog ng right pair ng Sabbath True Wireless or again Bluetooth earbuds or same sa mga iba pang Android na Bluetooth earbuds ninyo. Once na ganito may klase ng problema, pwede ninyong i-apply yung ating video tutorial at i-check ninyo maigi kung kaya nyo baklasin or i-open at iingatan lang ninyo once na babaklasin ninyo or kaya at tatanggalin ninyo yung cover or kaya yung speaker ng inyong Bluetooth earbuds dahil merong medyo maselan na wire connection dyan bukod tangi doon sa blue at red connection mula doon sa speaker at motherboard ng Sabbath Bluetooth earbuds or kaya ng True Wireless. And now our second step ng ating video tutorial, yung final solution na ginawa natin, connect lang natin yung dalawang wire, yung red or blue, nag-disconnect doon sa motherboard at speaker ng Sabbath True Wireless or Bluetooth earbuds. Napaka-simple lang, gamit lang natin yung soldering iron, lead at yung soldering paste using siyempre nandiyan din yung ating B7100 glue screen na pandikit. Then hindi rin mahula si tweezer kaya mahalaga rin na kumpleto yung ating gamit. And now our last step, yung pinali ng ating video tutorial, sharing ko lang yung important points na dapat na patandaan ninyo once na magdi-disassembly kayo ng Sabbath or kaya ng Bluetooth earbuds. Once na nakita ninyo sa cover or kaya yung speaker na mayroong nakalawit na kulay tanso or isang wire na sobrang nipis, huwag po nyo puputulin at huwag nyo hahatain dahil napakalaga po at dapat hindi po maputol yun. At sana meron naman kayo natutunan at maraming salamat sa lahat ng mga subscribers natin. 3,300 na po tayo. Thank you so much.